Hi guys, this is Sripadh Joshi. You are watching Joshi's Tech. Today I'll be unboxing Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So let's start. This is the box of Xiaomi Mi Band 3. As you can see, MI branding is side of the box. And there is some information given in the back of the box. It says MI Band 3 fitness band. It is a Bluetooth smart watch. So let's unbox it. As you can see, there is a capsule given in the box. This is attached to the band itself. This is the heart rate sensor, as you can see, MI branding. There is a band which the capsule goes in. So band quality looks great. MI Band 3 user manual is given in the box. There is some instructions how to connect the band and how to pay the band. So there is also a charger given in the box. As you can see, this is a charging dock where the capsule is kept. So let's look at the capsule. This is Xiaomi Mi Band 3. As you can see, this is Xiaomi Mi Band 3. It has a 110 mAh battery in it. Xiaomi says it lasts up to 20 days, and it has a 5 ATM waterproof, and let's on the band. We should pair it with our device, so I'll pair it. I have already paired this device to this. So as you can see, there are some features given. Unlock this screen. You can unlock the screen from the phone. You can set the incoming call, event reminders, alarm, app alerts and idle alert. You can also see the SMS and do not disturb mode. You'll get updates on this band too. So let's look at the features given in the band. As you can see, this is the watch face. These are steps. This is touch screen display. How much distance you traveled, how much calories you burnt. The battery percentage is 42%. There is a heart rate sensor given. There is also weather given in this watch. You can see current weather, tomorrow's weather, and Friday another day's weather. You can set exercise time in it. You can set notifications in your phone, so you'll get notifications on this. There is a more option. There is a stopwatch, silent mode, find device and screen. Let's see the watch faces. This is 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 watch faces in it. This looks good. So as you can see, the touch response is pretty good. The display is sharp, and so this is the band and this is the capsule. So let's put in it. This is how you put the capsule in your band. This is stiff. It is not like Mi Band 2. It have grip in it. As you can see, looks good. This is how you eject the capsule from the band. This is easy, and this is how you keep the capsule to the charging dock, and you put this USB in a charging brick. You can charge it with any of the charger. So okay, but it doesn't display in a direct sunlight, so the display is good. So that's it for this video. This is Mi Band 3. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.